Good morning friends, good morning students, good morning viewers. In this video I am going to explain you copying the tables from Excel file to Word. Some problems will be happening when you are copying the Excel file table to the Word. You should not copy the Excel file table to the Word directly. How to do I will explain here. She is my daughter. My name is Naveen Kumar. While copying tables from the Excel to Word, don't directly dump the Excel file into the original project Word file. First you open a Word file, extra Word file and the dummy Word file, and copy the Excel table to the dummy file. Then how to do to the Word I will explain you. Practically I will explain you in the Word file. See, this is my Word file and this is my Excel file. This is a lengthy file. See, I am copying the same thing to, for example, I am copying one paragraph to Word. This is my Word. I am pasting it here. See, it is going out of page. Let it be. I am rotating the page to landscape. This is my table from Excel to Word. We should not do like this. And this is a dummy file. Let it be. What is the difference between the Word table and the Excel from Word is, see, this is not a single cell. First of all, this is a single row, but this is not a single cell. See, these are different types of rows are there. So select this box and click on the borders, all borders. See, these are the different types of rows. Now you can see. So we have to create a table 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. With 10 columns we have to create one table here. 10 columns, enter 10. I am assuming that this bottom one is the new file and report file. This is Excel file. From this Excel file you copy paste to, see, I am taking directly copy. No need to give the number of rows. I am copying into, see, if I want another row, you press tab. For this 2 I am giving 2 rows and I am copy pasting here. Paste, automatically this came, and you merge all the things. Merge, and now you can copy this 2 also. Copy, paste. Okay, now you copy the heading. This is copying the heading. So what is the difference means, see this, if you click here and if you move it, it is moving here and there, but our file don't move anywhere. This is the difference. It will fix it to the row. The Excel file will be disturbing. If you copy directly from the Excel to the Word, the Excel table will be disturbing. You have to create again one number of rows and column, and you have to copy the data into that one, and you can make it as a font. You can make the line spacing, everything. Line spacing means before and after everything. Like this you have to copy paste from the Excel to the Word, but don't directly dump the information and don't format this table. You create a table and you dump all the information here. Okay, like this you have to copy paste from the Excel to the Word. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.